Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable VPN protection with ExpressVPN on iPhone. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To enable VPN protection with ExpressVPN on your iPhone, start by downloading the ExpressVPN app from the App Store. Open the App Store and use the search function to find ExpressVPN. Once you locate the app, tap the Get button to download and install it. After the installation is complete, open the ExpressVPN app. If you already have an account, enter your login credentials. If you do not have an account, you can sign up directly within the app. Follow the on-screen instructions to create your account and select a subscription plan. Once logged in, the app will prompt you to set up the VPN configuration. Tap Setup to allow ExpressVPN to add the necessary VPN configurations. You will see a pop-up asking for permission to allow the app to create a VPN profile. Tap Allow to grant this permission. Next, enter your device passcode if prompted. This step is necessary to finalize the configuration. Once the VPN profile is created, return to the main screen of the app. To connect to the VPN, tap the large power button at the center of the screen. Wait a few seconds while the connection is established. You will see a notification indicating that you are connected to the VPN. Now your internet traffic is secured with ExpressVPN protection on your iPhone. To disconnect, simply return to the app and tap the power button again. You can also switch to different server locations by tapping on Choose Location in the app. Select your desired server from the list to connect to a different region as needed. With these steps, you can easily enable and manage VPN protection with ExpressVPN on your iPhone. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.